Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here with some self-understanding questions of chapter partnership formation. These are those questions in which I find out some good tips and techniques for you people to understand and highlight the strategical parts. As I discussed with you that we have different types of practicing question for partnership formation. Each question have different techniques or the combined techniques inside the question. In some questions we have equal partners also, we have sufficient partner also, they have decided capital even given. So these are all the terms that I want you people to highlight by yourself. I proceed. Here in the slide, this is your exam question number 2. We have Mr. Rahim and Salim. They have their businesses started up on January 1st. Then they have some nature of accounts over here, some assets and liabilities. What we have to do, we have to focus Mr. Rahim and Salim assets and liabilities, but we have to consider the agreed values also. What I told you that after reading the complete question, you people have to follow the strategical parts of the question. Like they have given you the agreed value, they were asking you one half of the accounts payable, which is different for you, like 8,000 multiplied by 1 and divided by 2, so it is one half. So you have to consider this value while recording the journal entry and ignoring the account receivables or the merchandise inventory above values. जिस nature of account की आपके पास realizable value नीचे given होती है, उसकी above value को हम ignore कर देते हैं. Then we have Mr. Salim's value. और Mr. Salim के पास भी हमारे पास इसी तरह की adjustments मौजूद हैं, but they have in this they have 3/4 of the account payable. Like you have to apply the working 20,000 multiplied by 3 divided by 4, and then you have to write it down the answer value in your journal. Then it is again new term they have added over here. Mr. Salim invested sufficient cash and then they are equal partner. So what are the three different strategies that we have find? First of all, they give you the agreed value. Then they ask you for the sufficient cash investment to make the partners equal. So we have to consider this agreed value, this sufficient part, and equal interest. Then I proceed towards the required part. For the examination, you have to do the general and balance sheet plus your appropriate working. I proceed. Another question which I choose for your self-study block is Mr. Rahim and Kareem. We have Mr. Kareem's cash 30,000 and transfer the firm title office premises. The book value of is 90,000 and mutually agreed value is 100,000. So here if you focus, then we have office premises two values, 90,000 and then mutually agreed 100,000. So definitely we will ignore this 90,000 and in journal we will record this 100,000 and this 30,000. I proceed towards the Fahim. We have cash 35,000, then handover delivery equipment book value 25,000, mutually agreed value 30,000. The same strategy we have to follow, that we will consider the agreed value 30,000 of delivery equipment and ignoring this 25,000. This is the technical part of this question only, and you have to prepare the journal only. It is very easy. Exam question number 3. Aleem, Badr and Salim form a partnership contributing equal amounts. This is your strategical part, technical part, that they are equal. It means if Mr. Aleem having a 50,000, then Badr and Salim is also 50,000. So the Aleem's cash is 15,000, office equipment 75, the total will be a 90,000. It means the Badr and Salim will also have 90,000. Cash 50,000, we don't know the remaining amount of the merchandise. So हम क्या करेंगे, हमारे पास जो total capital, मतलब capital क्या आपको बदर का पता है? Yes, we know the capital of Badr is 90,000, which is equal to Aleem capital because they are equal. So 90,000 minus 50, the merchandise inventory will be 40,000. Again, we are well aware about the Salim's capital. Salim capital is also 90,000, which is same as Aleem and Badr. So what I will do to calculate the balance in cash, I will subtract machine value 80,000 from 90,000 and 10,000 will be the balance in cash. The strategical part of this question is the equal amounts. Then the capital of single partner is given, which is 90,000. We have to calculate the merchandise inventory and balance in cash by applying the formulas, the total capital minus given assets. Thank you so much. In this video, I just extract the few questions in which I will give you this quick reviews. Thank you so much for watching this video.